In the mirror I see a stranger's face, her eyes so deep yet gone without a trace. The cello cries a truth I cannot deny, a dance of shadows beneath the velvet sky. Oh, illusion, you weave your web so tight. The tango spins me through this endless night. Conjure bass, whisper secrets I once knew. Am I the mask, or am I the true? Her silhouette moves with sorrow's grace. Every step a lie I cannot erase. All the whispers tell me who I should be. The woman in the mirror stares back at me. Oh, illusion, you weave your web so tight. The tango spins me through this endless night. Conjure bass, whisper secrets I once knew. Am I the mask, or am I the truth? Her silhouette moves with sorrow of my doubts. Heartbeats echo as the truth screams out. The dance will fade, but the pain remains. Who am I beyond these chains? The cello weeps for the love I've lost. A tango with sorrow, oh what a cost. Yet through the steps I feel a spark, a glimpse of me glowing in the dark. Her silhouette moves with sorrow's grace. Every step a lie I cannot erase. Alto whispers tell me who I should be. The woman in the mirror stares back at me. Oh, illusion, you weave your web so tight. The tango spins me through this endless night. Conjure bass, whisper secrets I once knew. Am I the last, or am I the true? Strings collide with the rhythm of my doubt. Heartbeats echo as the truth screams out. The dance floor fades, but the pain remains. Who am I beyond these chains? The cello weeps for the love I've lost. A tango with sorrow, oh what a cost. Yet through the steps I feel a spark, a glimpse of me. Who am I beyond these chains?